How to fix my AI something went wrong error. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can fix my AI something went wrong error. So first you have to open your Snapchat app, and then what you have to do is click your profile icon on the top left corner, and then click this setting gear on the top right corner. Then scroll down until you see this option of clear data. You are going to find this option under privacy controls section. Click this option, and then you have to choose clear my AI data, the second last option from this menu, and then click confirm. When this prompt comes visible on your screen, it's going to clear your AI data, and then your AI must run smoothly and no problem should come. But if there's still a problem, search for Snapchat and then offload this app and reinstall it. This is going to fix your problem, and then you can run your AI smoothly. I hope you found this process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.